Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can add a watermark to your videos on CapCut PC. So to add a watermark, you're just going to add in your video, go to text. You can either add a logo or text. I'm just going to add a text to mine, but again you can add in your logo. I'm just going to type in watermark, and here you can select the font of your choice as well. Okay, let's do this one, and then you can make it a little bit bigger if you want to fill in everything so it doesn't get stolen. And then you're just going to go to opacity and kind of adjust the opacity on that, or you can like right click, create compound clip, and then add in like another blend mode to it. I'm just going to leave it as is. You can also change it to like other presets if you'd like to. Maybe you can add in like a shadow or whatnot. But yeah, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.